If you're tracking your AI visibility, the single most important decision you're going to make is which prompt to test. Pick the wrong prompts and your entire AI visibility report is going to reflect data that's completely unrelated to your potential buyers. Pick the right ones and you'll know exactly where you stand in terms of AI visibility and what you need to do in order to improve it. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step process I use to find prompts that actually reflect how real buyers search in AI tools. You'll need Ahrefs and Perplexity, and the whole process takes no longer than 20 minutes once you know what you're doing. The reason why most AI visibility tracking misses the mark is because people start by guessing what their buyers type into ChatGPT or just use the exact keywords they have been tracking for 20 years on typical traditional Google search. The problem is that what buyers type into AI tools looks nothing like what they type into a Google search. The queries are longer, they are more conversational, they are more specific, and there is a lot more context around it. So instead of guessing, we let the data tell us. Last month, I was setting up visibility tracking for a client. The team had already put together a list of prompts they wanted to track. Things like best project management software, top CRM tools, these kinds of keywords, but in their category. We ran those keywords, but the client showed up inconsistently and the results felt really generic. Then I ran the process I'm about to show you and we found 12 prompts we never would have guessed. Longer, more specific, much more buyer intent. And when we tested those, we got a completely different picture of where the client actually stood and where 3 of their competitors were actually dominating. The prompts are everything. We usually start in Ahrefs. Pull up either your client's site or major competitor, whichever has more ranking data to work with. Go to the organic keywords report, filter by keyword intent, because you want commercial or transactional keywords here, the ones where the person searching already knows they have a problem and is looking for a solution or a product. Now here's the filter that changes everything. Set a minimum keyword length of 8 words. The reason is very simple. 8 words or more is where we feel keywords become conversational. So those are the phrases that map directly to how someone would probably ask inside ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, or when talking to their voice assistant. A 4-word keyword like best email marketing tool is a Google query. A 12-word phrase like what email marketing platform works best for an e-commerce store under 10K revenue, this is an AI query. Now export the list or copy the relevant ones and you're looking for maybe 20 to 30 phrases that relate to a specific product, service or challenge you want to track. As a next step, I open Perplexity. Paste your keyword list into a prompt structured like this. Here are search phrases people are using to find, you put in your category like CRM software. Find the patterns in these keywords and generate at least 10 prompts that someone might type into an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Claude when they're researching this topic. Perplexity is fast at this and genuinely good at pattern recognition across a list of phrases. It will give you a clean set of AI native prompts that are grounded in real search behavior and not just guesses. Here's the bonus step. I really recommend to add a persona context to that prompt before you run it. So if you work in e-commerce, for example, tell Perplexity that. If you are a local business or a consultant, provide this information because the prompts Perplexity is going to generate are going to be better. So the final prompt might become generate at least 10 prompts that a marketing director at a mid-sized e-commerce brand might type into an AI assistant. That persona layer actually changes the output significantly. The prompts become more specific to the actual buyer, which definitely makes your visibility tracking data much more meaningful. Now what you have is a list of AI native prompts grounded in real keyword data and shaped for your specific buyer. The last step in this methodology is a quick manual review. Read through the list, remove anything that feels too generic, too niche, unrealistic for your audience. I mean, you are the one who probably knows your audience best. So you know your buyer and you should actually trust that instinct. You're aiming to end up with 10-15 solid prompts per category you want to track. Those are the prompts you fire against ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini and Perplexity. 30 to 50 runs each for more statistical reliability. And now you're measuring something that's much more realistic. So now you have the prompts. The next question is what to do with the results once you start running them. Because a brand mention is not the same as a recommendation, and knowing the difference is where most visibility tracking falls apart. In the next video, I'm going to show you 5 dimensions you need to measure in every AI response to actually understand whether the platform is sending you buyers or the platform actually recommends your competitors instead. Watch that one next.